English news. Now the news in detail. Lions Club International District 3170 had organized the District Deepavali Celebration 2014 Kanasu Manasu, a festival of lights, and Rangoli flower arrangement and good deeper competition under the leadership of District Coordinator MJ Ashwini Shetty at AB Shetty Hall, First Mangalore.
Lions Club International District 3170 had organized District Deepavali Celebration Kanasu Manasu under the leadership of District Coordinator Deepavali Celebration Lion Ashwini Shetty MJF at AB Shetty Hall, Once Hostel, Mangalore. The Governor of the District 3170 MJF Lion Manjunath Murthy, the First Lady of the District Lion Nandini Murthy, Chief Guest Dr. Ganesh Amin Sankamar, Ashwini Shetty, Dan Lewis and other dignitaries were traditionally welcomed at the entrance. Vani Alva briefed about Deepavali. Deepavali lights were lit. Lion Kumble Narasimha Prabhu compared the program. The dignitaries were welcomed by flowers. Lion Sandhya Rao sang the prayer song. District Coordinator for Deepavali Celebrations, Lion MJF Ashwini Shetty, addressed the gathering. The chief guest, along with governor and other dignitaries, inaugurated the program by lighting the lamp. Governor Manjunath Murthy addressed the gathering and presented pins.
ಈ ಕನಸು ಮತ್ತು ನನಸಿನ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಒಂದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬೇರೆ ಏನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನ ಕನಸಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಯೋಜನೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ದೂರ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಅಂಗಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಎನ್ನುವ ಭಾವನೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕನಸನ್ನ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನೀತಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಪಾದನೆ ಒಂದು ಅಂಶವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಹೊಂದಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನಾವು ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಹಚ್ಚಿಸುವಾಗ ದೀಪದ ತನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಜೀವನವನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬ ಲೈಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅಂಶ.
Plan Pejawar was honored. Plan M.G. Melanta introduced the chief guest Dr. Ganesh Amin Sankamar. The chief guest addressed the gathering. Competition for the best traditionally dressed couple was held. First VDG Kavita Shastri, second VDG of District 317C Lion Shenava, second VDG of District 317D Lion Arun Shetty. First Lady Nandini Murthy also felicitated.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನದೇ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ. ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷ ಹಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಅವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಹುದೊಡ್ಡ ಕನಸು ಕಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನಸು ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ, ಮನಸ್ಸು ತುಂಬಿದೆ. ಹೃದಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಮೌನವಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ಕನಸು ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸುಖಕರವಾದ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು.
District Coordinator Ashwini Shetty and Diane Lewis were honored for their tremendous contribution and effort. The judges were felicitated. Mementos were given to the guest. Dignitaries who supported the Deepavali celebration were honored. Prizes were distributed for the winners of Rangoli, flower arrangement and best dressed couple competition. Later, cultural program was held.
Thank you. Hi, this is John Abraham and you're watching Coastal Time.
Are you in need of finding the best way to celebrate an occasion? Are you wanting to lighten up your mood or tighten up your stomach? Do you want to taste the best of ingredients from around the world and the most exciting self-styled recipes that will tingle your taste buds? If yes, then stop thinking and get your taste buds start working at Crave, Deepa Paradise, Balmata, Mangalore.
Red Rocks India Domicile Projects presents Red Rocks Blueberry Greens, Residential Layout, Airport Road, Blueberry Hills, Yeyadi. Plots start from 3.5 to 25 cents. Just 1,599 rupees per square feet onwards. Wide asphalted road for each plot, surrounded by greenery, situated at a pollution-free and quiet area. Plots as per Vastu. Contact Property Deals Marketing and Project Management Company, Airport Road, Yeyadi, Mangalore.
India's biggest amusement shopping exhibition is back now in Mangalore. National Consumer Fair brings Snow World to Mangalore. Star attraction this year: Caterpillar Ride, Snow World, Fish and Bird Show, Dragon Train, Merry Columbus, Breakdance, Italian Tora, etc. Over 100 stalls and over 25 amusement family and children rides. Hurry! Book your stall today. Top national and international brands under one roof. daily 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Venue, Karavali Utsav Grounds, Mangala Stadium, Mangalore. Contact 944-8060-473 or 87222050.
Today, one looks back with pride and wonder on the transformation that has taken place at Kankanadi, from a single dispensary to a super speciality hospital, from 20 beds to 1,050 beds, from 10 health workers to over 1,500 doctors, nurses, technical staff, and over 2,000 students. Father Muller is a byword today for service and dedication, for specific burning of cancer cells at their locations. We have all precision equipments and instruments for both invasive and non-invasive surgical procedures and diagnosis, including high reduction X-ray, ultrasonic color Doppler, CT scan, and MRI machines. The operation theaters are equipped with contemporary equipment, high-tech intensive care units, neo and postnatal units, burns unit, cath lab, and cardiothoracic units are fully equipped. Our NICU is the largest in the city. The blood bank and cell separator and casualty are 24-hour services. In all, we have 32 super specialty services, including chest and allergy, de-addiction and counseling, dialysis, and mammography.
No party is complete without chicken. The only rich food with complete nutrition. Safe nutrition, hygienic. Soza Chicken. The breeding is taken care of by state-of-the-art technology. From hatching, packing, transporting, dressing, and delivery. We supply as per your requirement and quantity. Remember, if it's chicken, it's Soza Chicken. The best place to order. Visit us. Soza Chicken, Kushekar Kaikamba, Mangalore. Mobile 944-8284-203.
ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ, ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಂಪರೆ. ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದತ್ತ ದಿಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ.
ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು. ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಎಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸ್ವಸಹಾಯ ಗುಂಪುಗಳ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 9 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಬಾರ್ಡ್ನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲದ ವಸೂಲಾತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸತತ 14 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ 100% ಸಾಧನೆ. 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಎಟಿಎಂ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂಚಯ ಠೇವಣಿ ಯೋಜನೆ. ಠೇವಣಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ವಿಮಾ ಯೋಜನೆ.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ ಸದಾಶಿವ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸದನ, ಕೊಡಿಯಲ್ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
Garcia Designs, a dreamland of furniture. Decorate with exclusive range of furniture from Garcia. Now attractive variety of furniture with unique designs and ready to fit your living place. Exclusive range of furniture for ultra-modern houses and corporate offices. Have your dream design furniture. Get a new look in your office by exclusive range of office furniture. The designers offer your furniture needs under one roof. Patronize our exclusive imported furniture shop Garcia Designs at Garcia Design Complex, Vijay Church Cross Road, Vijay, Mangalore.
ಪುಟ್ಟಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮಗನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡುದು ಅಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಭದ್ರವಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಸಾಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರ, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಧಿಕ ಸಾಲ, ಕ್ಷಿಪ್ರ ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲ ವಿಶೇಷ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪುಟ್ಟಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ.
Mount Carmel Central School has organized Carmel September, a fancy fair towards the fundraising for the auditorium on 8th and 9th November from 3:30 till 8:30 p.m. at the premises. That Mr. Melissa, Principal, addressing a press meet at the Press Club, Patrika Bhavan in Mangalore. Anantesh Prabhu, Linus Fernandez, Saujanya Hegde, Vinay D'Souza and others were present.
The Apostolic Carmel Congregation and the school started in the year 2008. the CBSE school. And from 2008, we have been educating the children under our care. The holistic education they are trying to give them. And we have a project coming up, that's our school auditorium, to cater to all the needs of the students, to give them better scope for all the activities, scholastic, post-scholastic and the cultural activities. And therefore we have arranged fund-raising fest on November 8th from 3:30 to 8:30 p.m. and on 9th Sunday from 11:30 to 8:30. And we have a number of fun-filled activities, games, food fiesta and other entertainment programs. And we request all of you, friends of media, to give a wide coverage to this great event. No, we work as a team, management, staff and the parents together with. And first focus that we had when we started the institution, this is the first CBSE school that we have under Apostolic Carmel management.
That's all for now. We'll be back with more news on the same channel at the same time. Till then, from all of us, it's goodbye.